Hello, good morning students. So welcome back to our class. So last video we have done our two topics in grammar in chapter number 13, that is present tense. Now today I will give you a quick revision of those two topics and then we will move on to our exercise from 1 to 6, that is which is including our present tense and present continuous. So before that we will do a quick revision of what is simple present tense and what is present continuous, so that when you do the exercise you don't get confused yourself. So let us start with a quick revision of it. Chapter 13 present tense, and we will do the revision of simple present and present continuous. So simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the facts, truth, habit and noun. Facts जो है, if the color of the bottle is blue, it will always remain in all the tenses. It will always remain blue. It won't change. The truth जो सच्चाई है, जो हम बार बार repeat करते हो या कभी भी बोलते हो, that will consider to be in simple present tense. The habit, if I get up early in the morning every day at 5 o'clock, so that is my habit, so that nobody can change and that will remain always the same. Now means what is happening now. So the thing which is happening now or the thing which is mentioned now are the simple present tense. Now in simple present tense we learned two things, that is a negative sentence and the question form. We have learned the two formation, that is formation of the simple present tense. First we learned the formation of the simple present tense, that is base form of the verb plus s, es and the rest of the sentence. जो मैंने आपको कल लास्ट वीडियो में जो बहुत ही एक्सप्लेन किया था, the base form that means make, eat or sing or like that, and then we add s or es to it, that is our formation. Subject plus base form of the verb plus s or es in the sentence and rest of the sentence. So that becomes our formation. In that we have learned two things, that is negative form and question form. Which are the two things? Negative form and question form. So in negative form, whenever we are having singular subject, that is singular subject, what we will use? Does not. What are we using? Does not. Singular subject means Sheila or she. या एक ही इंसान के बारे में जब हम subject means what? The main part of the sentence which about whom we are talking. So when that subject is singular, that means one. Singular means one. So that time for the negative, to make the sentence into negative form, we are using does not. And when it is in the plural subject, when the subject is in the plural form, we use do not. When the subject is in the singular form, we use does not. Subject in the plural form, we use do not. Now again it is about questions. So singular subject, when it is does not, in the beginning of the sentence it will come does she or does Arun, does Sheila. Whatever the subject is, what we will add? Does plus subject plus base form of the verb and the rest of the sentence for the question form. So singular subject में जब हम does not negative में डालते हैं, तो question form में that does will come in the beginning of the sentence. And when in the plural subject we use do not in the negative sentence, then in the beginning of the sentence it will come do and the subject, verb and the rest of the sentence. So this goes for our simple present tense. Okay. Now I will tell you about present continuous tense. Now we will do the revision for present continuous tense. Now present continuous tense is our second topic. Present continuous is used to describe events, situations and action which is going on. Now this I will put in brackets, inverted commas. Why? Present continuous means to describe an events, situations on at the present time. Now why I am stressing in going on so much? Going on means the action at the present moment which is continuously happening and going on, मतलब continuous जो action चल रहा है, मैं present tense में जो action continuous कर रही हूँ, अगर आप अभी मेरा वीडियो सुन रहे हो, so what is your action? What are you doing? You are listening to my video. Are listening. So at the present moment, what are you doing? Are listening to my video. So your action of listening is going on in a continuous manner. So that is called present continuous tense. What it is called? Present continuous tense. The thing, the action, the event, the situation or the action of ours which is going on continuously, that is called our present continuous tense. Now what is the formation of present continuous tense? The formation of present continuous tense, now these are the words which we use for present tense. Is when it is singular. Is हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब हमारे पास singular subject हो. And when we use, when we have I. When are we using am? When we have I. And are when we use? When we have plural subject. Are when are we using? When we have plural subject. So is we use when we have singular subject, that is the sun. Now this is only the sun. Sun can be only one. So the sun is shining. Is because it is singular, shining. We use is and are plus ing form of the main verb. Now वैसे इसका base form क्या है? Shine. What is the base form of this word? Main verb, that is shine. So हमने यहाँ पे present continuous दिखाने के लिए क्या डाल दिया है? ing. क्या डाल दिया है? ing. So is always used for the singular subject. So the sun is shining. This shows us the present continuous formation in the sky. That is rest of our sentence. They. Now they is plural. What is they? They is plural. So for plural what it will come? Are. So are for plural. Are playing. Again it is the main verb play. So we are adding ing form. Playing football. They plural subject are playing football. So this is our present continuous tense. जो action present moment में continue manner में चल रहा होगा उसे हम बोलते हैं present continuous tense. Okay, so now let's move on to our exercise. So today I will give you exercise from 1 to 6 which will cover this two topic, that is simple present and present continuous. Okay students, so let's see now our exercise. Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks correctly with the simple present tense form of the verbs given in bracket. Now in bracket they have given us the simple present tense. We have to fill it according to the plural or singular subject. Amit dash vegetables in the backyard grow. So what is the answer? Because Amit is singular subject, so what will be the answer? Grows. We will change the formation of the main verb grow to grows. Rekha and Moin dash badminton every Saturday. In bracket it is play. And Rekha and Moin is more than one, so it becomes plural subject. So play will remain as it is play. Rekha and Moin play badminton every Saturday. He either dash his homework or dash to do it. Now they are given two, postpone and forget. So he either, so he, one person, so he either postpones. Postpone will change into postpones and his homework. So again it is singular. So forgets. He either postpones his homework or forgets to do it. I dash with my left hand. Now here I remains it comes in kind of plural because that verb doesn't changes. Write remains right. I write with my left hand. The soldiers. So what it is? The soldiers. It is plural. So cross remains cross. The soldiers cross the river at night for safety. A classical dancer dash a performance with a prayer. Begin. So a classical dancer. So that is one classical dancer. So it will come begins. What it will come? Begins. So this is our, now we will do our second exercise. Correct and rewrite the wrong sentences. This also comes under simple present. So again we have to see the subject first, whether it is singular or plural, and according to that we have to make changes in the sentence. Mridula and Amrita love swimming in the sea. Mridula and Amrita love. More than one, loves become love swimming in the sea. We washes our hands before eating. Now we, plural, washes is wrong. We wash our hands before eating. I wash the car myself. No changes, it remains the same. I wash the car myself. Sudeep and I meditate together in the morning. Sudeep and I too, so meditate together in the morning. Sophia waters the plants after returning from college. So both Sophia, so it remains the same. Waters the plants after returning from college. Exercise 3. Rewrite the following sentence first as negative and the second one as question. Now here we have 10 sentences and here I have mentioned all the 10 sentences first as negative and second as question. So first one goes, a kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch. So kangaroo carries a singular. So what it will come? Does not. A kangaroo does not carry its baby in a pouch, and in question form how it will come? Does will come in the beginning of the sentence. Does a kangaroo carry its baby in a pouch? Same way, the second one, the postman comes on a bicycle. Postman, the, so one. The postman does not come on a bicycle, that comes will become come. See, now whenever we are making the sentence into negative and question form, so अगर question में comes है, carries है, या dresses है, या rides है, so that all will be converted into the base form of the verb. So what it is? The postman does not come on a bicycle. Does the postman come on a bicycle? The same way they have given you all the negative and the question form. Like a nurse dresses patient's wound. So what will it become? A nurse, where it is, a nurse does not dress patient's wounds. Does a nurse dress a patient's wound? So same way, the sun is a star. The sun is not a star. यहाँ पे does नहीं आएगा because यहाँ पे already हमें is दिया हुआ है because it is about the truth. The sun is a star. So the sun is not a star. Is the sun a star? Here it will be Ruskin Bond writes for children. So Ruskin Bond is the name of a person. Writes. So what it will come? Ruskin Bond does not write for children. Does Ruskin Bond write for children? Now here it is three names. Smita, Zarina and Jacob. Now see, the names can change. Okay? Does not necessarily you will get the same name. So I have just changed the name here and the answer is Smita, Tina and Tom. It can be Smita, Zarina and Jacob, and whatever you are, accordingly you can write according to the question. Okay. Now, an apple tastes better. Again see, an apple. So again one apple. So does will come. In some states. So what it will come? In some states of our country do not. In some state. They are bifurcating the states. But they are talking about more than one states. So it will come do not. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Do. Again it is, see. For the last sentence I will tell you, computers calculate faster than humans. Computers. They are talking about all the computer. They are not talking about one computer. They are talking about all the computer. So that's why it is computers do not calculate and do computers calculate. So it is very easy. You have to see the first the subject. Subject is plural, then it will come do in the negative, and that same thing will come in the beginning of the sentence do for the question form. And in question form, if it is in the singular subject, it will come does, and same will come in the beginning of the sentence, that is does for the question form. Now exercise 4, write in which of the following sentence simple present tense would have been a better or correct choice and why. Why means you have to give the reason. Then rewrite the sentence in the simple present tense form. Raghu is liking action film. Now what will be the answer? Raghu likes action film. And what is the reason? Raghu's liking for action film is something that exists only now. It is fact which will always the same. Raghu का जो film का liking है, that is a fact that will always remain the same कि उसको पिक्चरें बहुत पसंद है. So that's why it will not come in the present continuous form. It will come in the simple present tense. So we change the sentence into Raghu likes action film. Now, second one, your vacation ended next Sunday. So your vacation ends next Sunday. Why? The sentence is talking about a schedule in the future. वो क्या बात कर रहा है? जो future में एक schedule के बारे में बात कर रहा है. So that will come in the simple present tense form. Horses have run fast. No, horses runs fast. The sentence is talking about a schedule. The sentence is talking about a fact which cannot be changed. Horses have run fast नहीं होगा. Horses will always run fast, so it will come horses run fast. I was 12 years now. No, I am 12 years now. Simple present. The sentence talk about a current situation. I am wanting to watch this film. The knights of the two kingdoms are meeting at the valley every full moon night. They are meeting every full moon night, which happens regularly. The things which are happening regularly. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था habit that I get up early in the morning. So this thing is happening regularly. The sentence will go: the knights of the two kingdoms meet at valley every full moon night. Sixth one, I am wanting to watch this film. No. Current situation it is, so it will be I want to watch this film. The new dog was friendly with everyone. The new dog is friendly with everyone. That is the current uska habit. So the current situation. The sentence talk about a current situation. Bats were not birds. Now this remains a fact that this is a truth. This is a fact which doesn't change. So bats are not birds. A missile was a weapon that was sent through the air to enemy. Now it is the sentence which does not change. It is a fact. A missile is a weapon that is. It will not come was. It will come is. Ali is regularly practicing yoga. The sentence talk about which happens regularly. So what will come? Ali regularly practices yoga. So all these you have to write down in the notebook. Question no need to copy. Write the sentence, give the reason as it is given in the PDF. Now yesterday I told you that look at the picture and you have to write what the continuous action the people in the picture are doing. Okay. So here they have given the picture. Here they have given कि हमें किसके बारे में लिखना है. So what it is? Uncle Latif is jogging. Now this is related to the present continuous, and these actions are going on, happening. This is not action which is done or action which is only for the present time. It is going on, that's why it is continuous. So Uncle Latif is jogging. Hari and Joy are playing badminton. Meera and Sanya are swinging. Rinku is exercising. Somu is sliding. Jacob is waving his hands. Rita and Soumya are talking to each other. All the children are enjoying. So these are the sentences. And see, here also many names are given to you. Don't think the same names will come. according to the question you have to write the name in the answer. So ये जेकब के बदले जॉन भी हो सकता है. So जहाँ पे जो दिया है उसके हिसाब से आप आंसर में लिख लो. Now make sentences in the simple present continuous form. Now they have given the obligation, they have given the bifurcation. So you have to see this is our verb. Okay. So हमें verb के हिसाब से देखना है कि is आएगा, are आएगा या am आएगा, and according to that we have to change it into present continuous form. The man with a beard sing a sad song. The man with a beard is singing a sad song. We will maintain it in the present and continuous form. Second one, it rained heavily in Agra. It is raining heavily in Agra. The engine runs with heavy noise and vibration. The engine is running with heavy noise and vibration. Manohar drive a truck. Manohar is driving a truck. 12 dancers give performance in the auditorium. 12 dancers are. Why? Because it's plural subject, so it goes are giving performance in the auditorium. Sohail and I write. So Sohail and I are writing. यहाँ पे I के साथ में am नहीं आएगा. Why? Because we have already here the name, other person. So writing term paper together. How many spectators sit at the stadium? So how many spectators? Spectators are plural, that's why are sitting in the stadium. Where rat hide? Rat 1. So where is the rat hiding? The merchant not ride camel. The merchant is not riding a camel. He sits under tree. He is sitting under a tree. So 1 to 6 exercise is based on our simple present and present continuous. So here this part we will only do this much, and I will give you the PDF also. So you can directly write all the answers in the notebook. And I will mention also which exercise to write in the notebook and which exercise to write in the textbook. So kindly go through the link properly, thoroughly, and then move on to writing your PDF in the notebook. Okay students, so have a nice day. Thank you.